What's up everyone? How you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into another video. So guys, are you now needing the platform or tool that can help you to remove the background of your picture instantly and also for free? If yes, don't worry because in this video we will show you that platform and the step-by-step to do the background removal. So without any further ado, and let's get into the tutorial. Well guys, the tool that I will use here is the Photoroom, and you can simply visit it photoroom.com/tool/background remover. And the benefit of using this Photoroom is you don't have to do the login with your email because you can instantly put the picture over here and do the background removal. And as you can see that this photo room also will help you to remove the background because it also integrated with the AI. And you can start to upload the photo over here from your device. And you can simply select the picture and kindly wait for the removal process and also uploaded process by this photo room. And after waiting for a while, this picture has already removed or the background is already removed, and also you can see the before and after picture being removed, the background itself. And you can also change the background, let's say to become white, black or blue, pink, yellow, and don't worry because the background can change into the several color spectrum like this and a lot of color option, and you can also put the dot, which is choosing the color that you want. Which one do you prefer? And don't worry because this background also can be changed into your favorite pictures by clicking this add background, and after that the background will be changed itself, and you can also simply download it. And after that you can choose the resolution like a standard or the high resolution. If you would like to try this high resolution, so you need to do the login with this section, and you can also choose the pro version to have more benefits to try this photo room. So that's all guys. I hope this video found you helpful and entertaining. And if you have any requests or feedback, please don't worry to put it on the comment section because we would love to share comments there. And also don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe this channel. I'll see you in another video and thank you for watching. Bye guys.